China has just confirmed the development of a hypersonic air-to-air missile with an unprecedented 1,000-kilometer range, a weapon that could redefine air combat forever. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a military game-changer that threatens stealth bombers, refueling aircraft, and early warning systems before they even see it coming. How did China achieve this breakthrough? And can the US and its allies keep up? Let's break it all down in this deep dive into the future of aerial warfare. China's new hypersonic air-to-air missile is unlike anything seen before in aerial combat. With a 1,000-kilometer range, more than double the reach of China's current long-range PL-17 missile, this weapon brings a new dimension of engagement to modern warfare. What makes it even more formidable? Speed. Hypersonic missiles travel at Mach 5 or faster, meaning this missile can cover its entire range in just 10 to 12 minutes. That's faster than most aircraft can react, making traditional evasive maneuvers nearly useless. But extreme speed brings extreme engineering challenges, and China is proving it's up to the task. The biggest hurdle? Heat resistance. At hypersonic velocities, air friction generates temperatures exceeding 10,000 degrees Celsius, enough to melt most conventional materials. To tackle this, Chinese scientists conducted rigorous thermal testing in a wind tunnel designed for space missions, one of the few facilities in the world capable of replicating such extreme conditions. This ensures that the missile's frame, avionics, and targeting systems survive the heat and function accurately at high speeds. Another critical factor is maneuverability. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles which follow predictable paths, hypersonic weapons can change direction mid-flight, making them nearly impossible to intercept. Current missile defense systems like the US Patriot or THAAD are optimized for slower, more predictable threats. Against a missile moving at over 6,000 km/h, these systems stand little chance. What about guidance? Covering 1,000 kilometers means the missile needs an advanced targeting system. Experts believe China is integrating a multi-layered guidance approach, combining inertial navigation, satellite positioning, and data link technology to adjust its flight path in real time. This allows it to lock onto moving targets like stealth bombers, AWACS, and refueling planes. Even those trying to escape at high speeds. The implications of China's hypersonic air-to-air missile extend far beyond technology. They directly challenge the foundation of modern air warfare. The US and its allies have long relied on high-value airborne assets like AWACS, early whelming aircraft, aerial refueling tankers, and strategic bombers to establish dominance in the skies. These aircraft coordinate attacks, extend combat reach, and maintain battlefield awareness, but they all share one weakness: they are slow and unarmed. With a 1,000-kilometer kill zone, China's hypersonic missile threatens these crucial assets before they even enter combat zones. A KC-46 refueling tanker, for example, enables fighter jets to operate deep in enemy territory. But with this missile in play, such aircraft may be forced to stay far behind friendly lines, limiting operational range. The same applies to the B-21 Raider, America's next-generation stealth bomber. While the B-21 was designed to evade radar, hypersonic missiles don't rely solely on radar tracking. They use infrared sensors and real-time targeting data to home in on targets. This undermines the B-21's stealth advantage, turning it into a potential hypersonic kill. Another major concern? Escalation in the hypersonic arms race. The US, Russia, and China are all racing to develop next-generation hypersonic weapons. Until now, air-to-air combat was dominated by beyond-visual range missiles with a few hundred kilometers of range. This new missile doubles or triples that distance, making traditional air combat tactics obsolete. The US Air Force and Navy are already working on countermeasures, including directed energy weapons, lasers, and hypersonic interceptors, but developing and deploying them could take years. The bigger picture? Deterrence and power projection. With this missile in its arsenal, China is sending a clear message. Its airspace is off-limits to enemy bombers and reconnaissance planes. If deployed in the South China Sea, Taiwan Strait, or near US bases in the Pacific, it could force adversaries to rethink their regional strategies. Countries like Japan, South Korea, and Australia may now feel the urgency to invest in counter-hypersonic defenses or strengthen their alliances with the US. This missile isn't just about China's defensive capabilities, it's about changing the rules of engagement. It could deter US forces from operating near Chinese airspace. effectively extending China's sphere of influence in the Indo-Pacific region and beyond. With such a revolutionary missile, the next question is, how will China deploy it? The answer lies in its fighter jets, bombers, and even transport aircraft. One Chengdu J-20 is China's stealth assassin. The J-20 is China's most advanced stealth fighter, designed to rival the F-22 Raptor and F-35. With its low radar signature and long-range capabilities, the J-20 could use this hypersonic missile for first strike engagements, eliminating enemy aircraft before being detected. If successful, this strategy could deny air superiority to opposing forces before a battle even begins. 2 Shenyang J-16, the heavyweight carrier, the J-16, a modified version of the Russian Su-30, lacks stealth but makes up for it with high payload capacity and advanced radar systems. It could serve as a missile launch platform, staying at safe distances and firing hypersonic weapons from beyond enemy reach. 3 Hep-6K bomber, the long-range threat. China's Hep-6K bomber, a modernized version of the Soviet Tu-16, has been upgraded to carry hypersonic weapons. With its extended range, the Hep-6K could launch hypersonic strikes against naval carriers, strategic bombers, or even critical infrastructure deep in enemy territory. 4 Y-20 transport, a new concept. While primarily a cargo aircraft, China's Y-20 could be modified into a hypersonic missile launch platform, similar to how the US is exploring missile deployment from large aircraft. If China follows this path, it could develop a mobile, hard-to-track launch system for hypersonic strikes. But what about countermeasures? The US and its allies are exploring defensive hypersonic interceptors, space-based tracking systems, and even electronic warfare to neutralize threats before launch. The real challenge is developing systems that can detect, track, and intercept hypersonic weapons in real time, something no nation has perfected yet. The future of air combat is shifting from dogfights and stealth engagements to a world where hypersonic first strikes could decide battles before they begin. This missile doesn't just add another weapon to China's arsenal, it forces every global military power to adapt or fall behind. China's development of this air-to-air hypersonic missile marks a pivotal moment in military aviation history. Its unparalleled speed, range, and precision not only enhance China's defensive and offensive capabilities, but also compel other nations to adapt to this new paradigm in aerial combat. As hypersonic technology continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly play a central role in shaping the future of global military strategies and alliances. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, SpaceEyeNews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.